I'm super excited to share this moment with you dahil finally mabubuksan ko na ang PR package from G21 as official G21 Angel. Nakaka-happy lang kasi I get to work with the brands I actually use and believed in. And of course, G21 is one of them. O diba, from Babard, naging Babard Queen, and then finally, G21 Angel na tayo ngayon. No cap, no lies. Before talaga ako maging G21 Angel, user na talaga ako ng G21 products. Before ako naka-receive ng mga PR package from them, and before din ako naka-receive ng free products sa G21, ay talagang dati bumibili ako with my own money. And right now, I am so grateful dahil yung mga consistent na products na ginagamit ko ay nakukuha ko na ng libre ngayon. O diba, before, no PR, no collaboration, sariling sikap lang ng pagbili ng mga beauty products. Pero ngayon, isa ka ng official G21 Angel. And of course, being a G21 Angel, hindi lang to basta-basta collaboration. It also means trust and loyalty sa mga products nila. And it also means that I get to share with you the products that I personally use and love.